Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1188 in a row. We're using Cash App for this experiment. If you aren't familiar with Cash App, there's hundreds of tutorials and experiments on my channel. So go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in that. So Bitcoin current price $36,000. My balance $3,438. Down about 2% today, down about 7% on the week. Had a very harsh drop right there yesterday. Down 18% on the month and down 36% over the past 365 days. So kind of a rough start to the year. And we'll take a look at this chart in a bit, get a better picture of what's going on. Let's scroll down here, see if there's any news. Bitcoin price heads under 36K's 3-day losses near 12%. House sold in Portugal for 3 Bitcoin. Eager to work, Bitcoin switch to proof of stake remains unlikely. Yes, I think that's very unlikely. I don't even know where that's coming from. Central Bank of Argentina bans banks from offering Bitcoin. You hate to see it, they're not going to make it. Bitcoin proponents rally to oppose New York mining moratorium. What does that mean? Is it even possible to make a more obscure title than that? They should simplify their titles and write them in English. Bitcoin's rocky road to become risk-off asset analysts investigate. So nothing too crazy on the news. Markets all over the place dropping. Very easy to see this dip in stocks as well. Bitcoin owned 0.09548,307. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next. Scan my face, it's going to show us our order details, and tap confirm. Just like that, I've added $1 more of Bitcoin. So that brings my Bitcoin owned to 0.09551,000 Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,438 divided by 1,188 days equals a 2.89x on my investment. What that means, every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $2.89. So still doing very well with this method. Let's go ahead and do the gain. $3,436 minus 1,188 days equals a $2,248 gain. So let's go ahead and look at this chart, see what's going on here. So at the end of 2020, beginning of 2021, we kind of had this massive run up to the mid 60K range, kind of came down, tested this support, came back up, didn't really break out either. So it's like we've been trading sideways here for almost a couple years now. You can see these moving averages. Like I've shown in previous videos, you basically want this red one on top of the green one. That's when the price is going to go up. When the red one crosses the green one, or looks like it's starting to, it's kind of a bad sign. What we can see, we're currently around 36K. We see this trend line. You can delete this trend line. It's basically dead at this point. So last video we were in this zone. I said, we really need to get above these moving averages. Weren't really able to do it and dumped down. For now, this trend line is holding and we still have higher highs here on the dip. So that's positive. If it continues to drop and it comes below these ranges like 34,500, 33,300, it's a bad sign. That means there's not much support. The last line of support would be here around 30K. And if it breaks that, there wasn't much built in this range right here. It's kind of just straight up. So it's probably going to come back down here to 20K. So I don't know if that'll happen. This could definitely hold and this could continue to just go sideways here for a while, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens. This is definitely a good time to dollar cost average. We're getting to where we're almost down 50% from all-time highs. So anywhere in this zone is a good time to dollar cost average. And I gotta imagine if Bitcoin were to dip to about 20K, there's people with cash loaded up. They're going to be backing up the truck to fill up Bitcoin at that point. People want crypto, they want Bitcoin, they want Ethereum. So if a severe dip like this were to happen, I got to imagine it's going to get bought up fast. So that's kind of my thoughts on the market. It doesn't look good, but it is down. So you want to buy when it's down, but if it does break these sort of levels here, probably see a pretty big drop. A couple other things. You guys know I've been a long time holder of Tron TRX, the token. Lots of people make fun of me for it. But they just launched a thing called USDD, which is basically a new stablecoin. And it looks like it's doing very well. TRX also performing very well off of this news, up 7% in a time where most of the market is down. Chart doesn't look bad, you know, you can see that uptrend there. I don't know, I've been saying Tron's underrated for a long time. But basically what they built is something similar to Terra Luna. So if we look at this chart, this token wasn't much for a long time until they launched kind of their stable coin system, and then it just went. So Tron basically just made something exactly like what they made, and we'll see if they can pull off the same thing. But I've liked Tron for a while. The blockchain works better than these blockchains like Solana, in my opinion. But hey, check it out, do your research. Another thing I'm into, Genesis Syncronauts, NFT marketplace launching soon. These are getting pretty cheap now, 0.75 ETH, and considering Ethereum is on a dip, Ethereum's below 2,700. So the way I look at it, this marketplace that we're building, like if you own a Synchronaut, chances are high you're gonna get some sort of earnings from what the marketplace earns, some sort of revenue share. And I gotta imagine if the marketplace is around like a year on Ethereum, Arbitrum, Pulse Chain, all these different blockchains, is it gonna earn enough to pay you back your 0.75 ETH that you'd have to pay for this thing? Personally, I can't imagine it not being able to. I did the math, I think you would need like 75,000 Ethereum in volume. And to put that into perspective, OpenSea does that every day or every couple days. So something to think about. And once you ROI on that, basically every transaction done through the Neon Rain marketplace is just free divs for you. So jump into the Syncronauts Discord, ask questions, figure it out. Also got this coming in, pretty excited about it. BGS 2.5 Charizard. Just purchased this one yesterday. It's got some, you can see it has like some specs on it and stuff, so I'll probably crack it out and clean it, you know, some dirt smudges. But I'll clean it up. We'll see what we can do with it. I'm excited. That'll do it for this video. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.